This 2025 Coachmen Encore SE 341 SAW is a Class A RV. It is located in Ashland, Virginia, 23005 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Coachmen is 36 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, Slideout, and 72 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunk over cab, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom. This 2025 Coachmen Encore SE 341 SAW is built on a Straight Rail Freightliner Vault chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.